It craves discipline. It craves truth. It's not flashy, not loud, but it's focused. It wants to build you, not numb you. It wants connection with God, not a quick fix from the world. Here's the truth: you don't hear enough. You can't feed both. You can't serve purpose while feeding every urge. You can't chase calling while coddling comfort. Trying to do both will break you spiritually, physically, and mentally. See, people think fasting is just about skipping meals. Nope, that's dieting. This ain't that. Fasting is war, spiritual warfare, a declaration that your spirit is in charge now. Every time you fast, you put the flesh on trial. You tell your stomach, your impulses, your carnal urges, you don't run me. Fasting silences the noise. All the dopamine hits from food, screens, sugar, comfort, they fade. And when the noise dies, guess what gets louder? Your spirit, your conviction, God's voice. Jesus didn't walk into his ministry off a full stomach and a soft bed. He fasted 40 days in the wilderness. That wasn't a cleanse, that was a preparation for purpose. If the Son of God had to starve the flesh before stepping into his calling, who are you to think you'll get there while staying full and soft? Fasting is how you sharpen your weapon. Your spirit is a sword, but it's dull when your flesh is fat with comfort. Let's talk real. Cravings are liars. Your flesh whispers the same weak lines every time. Just one bite. You've been good lately. You've earned this. Start tomorrow. You're too tired. This doesn't matter. It's the same.
We're going to go ahead and start.
Oh, what?
So the US 30 made a new high today. So the new high for the weekly and monthly on the US 30 is 46,722.
No. No.
722 and the low. Oh, so it's 46,722. I'll talk about 43,994. Not 3. The mid month is 45,358. Got 2. Got 40. 46, 103. That's 3. 46, 45, 760. That's better. 45,760.9 is the low, giving us a midweek on the US 30 for 46,241.5. So it hasn't broke the trend just yet, but it did pull back a lot. Really pull back a lot. It came right into the 4-hour order block and pulled back up. in New York session. I'm looking for the buy to continue. It might break below the below the mid-week level of support, and it is going to continue up. I'm looking for the buy to continue on US 30. Unless it doesn't break that trend. I'm looking for the buy to continue. Gold made a new high as well. Let's see new highs on gold. Gold went to 37.91.13. So we got a new mid-month level and a new mid-week level for gold. 37.91.13. The low 3,645. That's the week. 3,645 for the week, and giving us a new midweek level of support at 36.95. That's 79. And the new mid-month is 35.59. Dot 64. Oh, it's still maintaining trend right now. Daily trend. I'm looking for it to pull back towards. I'm looking for it to pull back for entry. Okay, pull back for entry. So the high will be TP1. This should be TP2. 820. It'll be TP2 for gold. What we do about it pulling back. But it hasn't broken. How will it affect it? It might not even pull back that far. Let me see that. Because it hasn't made a new low. So we got another candle coming out in 30 minutes on gold, and it's still under the open of the open of the candle, so it's likely going to continue pulling back. This here is a pullback. Unless it breaks the trend, this is a pullback, and it's still above this line, still above the support. So when it pulls back, it usually pulls back towards the level of support, and that is your entry. Do not be fooled and try to enter in for a sell or go and get snatched. Now it's made a new high as well. The new high for Nas is 24,802. Got 63. $24,802. Got 63. The low of the month was 22,677, giving us a mid-month level of support of 23,739. Got 82. There, and we got a new midweek at 24,403. Got 85.
Let it cool.
You got it. So, thank you, everybody. So we got Nas still buying. Pull that. So we got this will be a TP1. here, and you can hold it. Let's do the overall high where it's going, direction wise. Bitcoin then broke below the mid-month and made a new low. New weekly low for Bitcoin 111,502.08. So we got the highs at 115,441.37, and we got 111,502. High 111,541.37. All right. And the low is 111 and 502.08 for the low, giving us a new midweek. 113, 471.73. We got it below the midweek and below the mid-month. So, let's start the trend. Looking for the sell to continue. It's pulling up for an entry here. It's already below. Y'all gotta wait. So, you just start looking for an entry for this because it's pulling up. I will wait for confirmation for entry for the seller to continue. I will wait for the confirmation for entry because we got a candle below the midweek and below the mid-month. And once it come up under this mid-month, it go. Got a candle close above below this mid-month and midweek. I'm just pulling up right now. Anyway, for entry, if you got it pulling up. Right, let's see. This could be TP1. No. Or TP2. Even on the stronger order block is down here. I wouldn't be surprised if it come if this thing drops to retest the monthly low by the end of this week. Because we got it under the mid-month, and when it break, it go. So once it stop above the resistance for Bitcoin. So we got to sell on Bitcoin. A buy on gold. A buy on US 30. And a buy on NOW. For gold, wait till London to get in for entry. And wait for your confirmation for entry for gold during London session. For Bitcoin, wait for confirmation for entries. This is something you can enter in tonight, but wait for the confirmation for entry. For Bitcoin. For the sell. So we got a sell on Bitcoin. A buy on gold during London for entry. During New York session for US 30, we looking for buy. And for NAS, we looking for buy. Any questions? All right, y'all. We got everything locked and loaded. Which direction we moving in? What spot? Wait for the time. Bitcoin is the only one that you can look at now, and wait for the rejection to enter in for the sell, because it hasn't broke the sell trend. It's still under the mark. So for Bitcoin, you want to be looking for, you can look for a sell. Now it would be wait for the confirmation for entry for the sell on Bitcoin, because we got this candle right here, the previous candle that broke below this mid-month. So wait for the entry confirmation for Bitcoin and enter in for a sell.
Those bullish 4 hour order blocks,
Mm-hmm.
is it considered to be rejecting those bullish 4 hour order blocks?
It is, because look right here. Said bullets, my bad. It is coming down and coming into the order block and pulling back up, but those are pullbacks. Those are not actual, like, it's not going into a buy. Like, it came down right here, tested it, and pulled back up, and then continued in the trend. If it don't break the trend, then it's the sellers continuing. And once we get a break below this the support, then it's likely going to continue to sell. We got a break below this mid-month support, which is a strong level of support, and it dropped below the support. So you want to wait until you get an entry confirmation for Bitcoin, because it looked like it's coming in here before it pull back up. But this is not. I was looking over to see if it was a strong order block. This is a pretty strong area right here. A lot of buy came out of here, came out of this order block. That's probably why you got seeing the pull up. But it's below this level right here. It's below this level of support, the previous level of support. So I would still be looking for a sell. It's not giving me an indication that this is going into a buy. It's giving me an indication that the sell is still going to continue. So in the candle now, where you can look for your position, you within that 4 hour candle to where you can look for the position for Bitcoin. But I will wait for the confirmation. All right. So wait for the confirmation for Bitcoin, and y'all can get ahead and take that in for us out. Let's get this money, y'all.